Welcome back, guys, to Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about ICP and two interesting charts. What I would like to show you about a Bitcoin globally, so you will understand what's going on now in this current situation on the market. Let's dive in. First of all, let's start with Bitcoin. I highly recommend you join my Telegram channel or follow me on Twitter. So let's start with the performance forecast. The people expect, so in May, they increased the rates 25 basic points. So it will be around 5 or 5.25. Then in June, it's pause, and September going down, November pause, December going down, and by December 2024, people expect the rate around 3.25 basic points. We'll see how it goes. Is the time is the same, so selling may go away? We will see because the China opened a market for institutional to trade a Bitcoin, the crypto in general. So maybe the market reacts on positive. The rate will be on a pause. All people in China open market and try to speculate with the crypto. So maybe we will see the pump. Nobody knows. What you have to pay attention is these two charts. First one, it's a negative scenario. What I don't like on a Bitcoin here. Here's a global chart of Bitcoin. It's BLX. It's whole history on Bitcoin. And like with my indicator sets, this indicator got over than 80% win rate. And every single time they show most likely the accurate chart. So here, what I don't like, it's a history on Bitcoin in 2023. So from 2013, we got a huge pump. So from around 100 till 69K. And here's the ADZ. We're going down. So the big players distribute Bitcoin since 2013. And only now we're going in accumulation stage. So here, one accumulation stage in 15, 19, COVID dump, and here, 2023. So this 3 accumulation stage, but we got yearly distribution. So basically we can see one more pump, a new all-time high, but we will reject one more time here. And then we will dive in after 2025 in big dump. Because here, at 8K, now 8K400, it's buy line by take profit indicator. So here's a trend line from 2017 and a buy line. Here's we bounced it from this COVID dump line, bounced it from the exit line on take profit. Now basically we have to retest this line around 35.41, reject and going down one more time to 21K. On crypto flight direction, we got a signal, only one signal to sell. First signal ever on whole history, one signal to sell at the top in November 2021. Now no signal to buy. That's why maybe if we will see the signal to buy, it will be insanely bullish signal for Bitcoin. Next one, what I would like to show you, it's market mood. Market mood indicator, it showed the best entry point on a monthly time frame. And here's how this indicator determines the bottom. Here, when we see called a blue color on this chart, every single time it was the bottom. It was the bottom of cycle, global cycle. Now we are most likely forming the similar like this one, like 2018, 2019 chart here. Two, green zone, bottom, green zone, bottom, called blue color. Now, once again, green zone, here green zone. So we have to see the yellow one and orange, and then dump again to the green zone one more time. So maybe we'll see something like this one on the chart to 31K, then dump again. So we'll see the yellow color. So it will be the time to out of Bitcoin locally, then drop to green zone and pump again to new all-time high to the red zone once again. So it's really insane. It's really insane how it play out. But you can go and double check on TradingView and on Twitter. all this idea. So let's take a look on ICP. What's going on now on the chart? So I mark it most horrible scenario if we were forming the shoulder. So here's for example, just left shoulder, head, and we have to breaking out this shoulder, left shoulder. So we're breaking out. So this pattern is not play out. So we can't count like this one, you know. So this pattern is not in play. That's why this target's still relevant. We reject at 27 level, $7.06, reject and drop it down. What I don't like on the ICP is it trades crazy, you know. It's good pump, good dump. So it's not a best asset for trades, you know, because I'm looking at ICP more for like investments. So what we can see on 4-hour time frame, if the market going down once again, we can grab all these stop losses, what I marked before, and collapse to 61 level by FIB like this one, liquidate all these guys. So this is a most negative scenario what we can see. Something like this one, even drop to $3.96 again. So yes, everything possible, forming the huge double bottom on daily and weekly. But on 4-hour time frame, positive scenario, we can drop to $5.15 and climb it up higher. If not, unfortunately, I have a bad news for you. On daily time frame, nothing changed. Nothing changed. So let's go to indicators, trade on. Once again, play out perfectly on daily time frame, on 12-hour time frame here. We got signal to buy at the bottom here, recommendation, close position, take profit, align. So from here, from price range, from signal to buy here to take profit, we got 25%. It's just for speculation intraday. We got a signal to sell, signal to sell. On daily time frame, if you're intraday trader, you got a signal to sell, drop. No signal to buy now. So unfortunately, no signal to buy. So no good news. Only one signal to buy was here in November. Signal to sell, sell, sell. So maybe we'll see even dump like this one. And at this area, we will see the signal take profit from sales and new signal to buy. It will be the positive scenario. So if we take a look on a weekly time frame, so nothing changed. Main signal to buy, recommendation close position, and yes, we have all chances drop like this one, grab this stop losses and going higher. If not, the road is open to new lows, so you have to be ready for it. If we take a look on daily, on A to Z market smooth and take profit, on take profit, like you remember, the buy line still in play. So the buy line now at 78 level by FIB. So here is $3.93 at 12-hour time frame. The buy line at 0.86 level by FIB. So here how it play out perfectly. And we can see the big whales accumulate. Big whales accumulate here on A to Z on 12-hour time frame. So it's good sign. On daily time frame, we have chance drop it lower, much lower. So it's a bearish signal. On crypto flight market smooth, we was in over bought zone here in middle of April. Now we come down, a little bit come down. So no some positive news. So the positive news, we have to see some cold white mode on the market, like this one in March and like this one by end of the March here when we lay down at the bottom. So we have to use the indicators in complex. So we can close this one. So here, how you can use, for example, like A to Z and market mode. For example, you trade on the daily time frame. You're looking, we're in accumulation stage. Yes. Wait when on the daily time frame, the price came into the white zone and start accumulate. Then wait when we will be on the daily time frame and distribution zone here. So if you accumulate, for example, here, out here, around 50% on the spot, even on the spot without any risk in 1 month, for example, for all your deposits. But of course, we stop losses. So now, no signal to buy or something. We have to forming something like this one, I think, lower low, and on ADZ start forming the divergence on daily time frame, and called blue or white mood on crypto market mood. On weekly, we are still underwater here. Accumulation stage from April 2022. So 1 year we're in accumulation stage. Now we're just in cold blue mode. That's why on a weekly time frame we have all chances to see the move up, and on a monthly time frame we're still in accumulation stage. So this price just start curve up like this one. Look, on monthly here. The biggest accumulation stage was here in December 2022. Here. Now we're just start climbing up. So we have a lot of room for growth on a monthly to see something like this one. 3 waves down, divergence, and price target what I marked before. So guys, I hope you like this video about Bitcoin ICP. If you want to trade with my customer care set 6-in-1 only for $1 per day, just write me DM, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.